Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your #1 source for all things investment and real estate. With our finger on the pulse of the market, we're here to guide you through the ever-evolving landscape of wealth creation. At HouseLux Estate, we believe in empowering you with knowledge and insight. Our content is designed to demystify the world of investing in real estate, breaking it down into bite-sized, digestible pieces. We offer tutorials for those just starting their investment journey, app reviews to help you navigate the sea of digital tools, and investment strategies to elevate your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the world of finance, we aim to provide you with actionable insights and the confidence to make informed decisions. Today, we're going to delve into the world of investment apps, particularly those that are beginner-friendly. Buckle up and join us on this exciting journey towards financial freedom. First on our list is Robinhood, a game changer in the investment app market. Robinhood burst onto the scene, turning heads with its disruptive model that broke away from the traditional approach. It's an app that's all about democratizing finance, making it accessible for everyone, not just the Wall Street elites. So what sets Robinhood apart? Well, most notably, it's the commission-free trades. This is a big deal because it means you can buy and sell stocks, ETFs, options, and even cryptocurrencies without having to pay a dime in commissions. This feature alone has made Robinhood a darling among new investors who are just dipping their toes into the investment waters. Apart from the cost savings, Robinhood also shines in its simplicity. The interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly, making it a breeze for beginners to navigate. There's no jargon or complicated finance terms to confuse you. Everything is straightforward, which is quite refreshing in the often convoluted world of investing. But of course, no app is without its shortcomings. While Robinhood is excellent for its simplicity and cost-effectiveness, it does leave a bit to be desired when it comes to research tools. Unlike some other investment apps, Robinhood doesn't offer extensive research resources or analysis tools. So if you're someone who likes to dig deep into the numbers and conduct thorough research before making an investment decision, you might find Robinhood a bit lacking in this regard. However, it's important to remember that Robinhood is designed with the beginner in mind. It's about easing you into the world of investing, not overwhelming you with data and analysis. So if you're a beginner looking for a no-frills, easy-to-use investment app that allows you to trade without commissions, Robinhood could be the perfect fit for you. Despite some limitations, Robinhood remains a popular choice for beginners due to its ease of use and accessibility. It's a testament to Robinhood's mission of making the financial markets more inclusive and accessible to the everyday person. So if you're just starting out on your investment journey, Robinhood could be a great first step. Next up is Acorns, an app that makes investing as easy as spending spare change. With the rise of financial technology, it's all about taking the complex world of investing and making it accessible for everyone. Acorns does exactly that. Acorns is known for its unique automatic investment feature, where the app rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the change. Imagine buying a cup of coffee for $2.75. Acorns would round that up to $3 and invest the spare 25 cents for you. It's a fantastic way to save and invest money without even realizing it. But Acorns isn't just about spare change. The app also allows you to make recurring investments of larger amounts, set up retirement accounts, and even offers cashback at select retailers, which is automatically invested for you. One of the standout features of Acorns is its user-friendly interface. It's clean, intuitive, and perfect for beginners who are just dipping their toes into the world of investing. The app provides pre-built portfolios constructed by experts, so you don't have to worry about picking individual stocks or bonds. You can choose a portfolio based on your risk tolerance, making it a breeze to get started. But like all investment platforms, Acorns has its downsides. One potential drawback is that the returns on your investments may be smaller compared to other platforms. This is because the app primarily invests your spare change, so the amount of capital invested is often less. However, remember that investing is a long-term game, and every little bit helps. Another thing to consider is the monthly fee. Acorns charges a small fee per month, which can eat into your returns if you're only investing small amounts. It's something to keep in mind when deciding if Acorns is the right platform for you. In conclusion, Acorns is perfect for those who want to start investing without making huge financial commitments. It's all about making investing a part of your everyday life, without the stress and confusion that can often come with it. Looking for more control over your investments? Stash might be the app for you. Born out of a desire to simplify investing for everyone, Stash has carved out a unique space in the finance app world. It combines the best of robo-advising with the flexibility of do-it-yourself, but without the complexity. Let's dive into the features of Stash. The app is built around the idea of personalized investment recommendations. When you sign up, you'll be asked a series of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and interests. Stash uses this information to make tailored investment suggestions, helping you to pick and choose the investments that align with your goals and values. One of the most attractive features of Stash is the flexibility it offers. You can choose from a wide range of investment options, including individual stocks, exchange-traded funds, and bonds. Plus, you can start investing with as little as $5. This makes Stash a great choice for beginners who are just starting to build their portfolio. However, as with any investment app, there are potential downsides to consider. One of these is the monthly fee. Stash charges a flat fee that starts at $1 per month for a basic account and goes up to $9 per month for a Stash Plus account. While this might not seem like much, it's important to remember that these fees can eat into your returns, especially if you're only investing a small amount. Despite these fees, Stash is a great platform for beginners. It offers an educational content library, covering a wide range of financial topics to help you become a more informed investor. Plus, with Stash's automatic investing and roundup features, you can set up recurring investments or invest your spare change, making investing a seamless part of your everyday life. In a nutshell, Stash gives beginners the opportunity to learn about investing while building a portfolio that suits their preferences and risk tolerance. While it does come with some costs, the value of its educational resources and personalized approach to investing can make it well worth it for those just starting out on their investment journey. Last but not least, we have M1 Finance, an app that combines the best of robo-advisors and traditional brokerage accounts. This innovative platform has been making waves in the investment world, and for good reason. M1 Finance offers a unique blend of automated investing with a high degree of customization, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and seasoned investors alike. One of the standout features of M1 Finance is its automated investment feature. This feature allows you to select your preferred investment strategy, and then let the app do the rest. Whether you're looking to invest in stocks, bonds, or ETFs, M1 Finance has you covered. The app will automatically rebalance your portfolio to keep it in line with your chosen strategy, saving you time and effort. But M1 Finance doesn't stop at automation. It also allows you to customize your portfolio to meet your specific needs and goals. You can create your own pies or investment bundles, choosing from a wide range of assets. This way, you can tailor your investments to your personal risk tolerance and financial objectives. Moreover, M1 Finance offers fractional shares, which means you can own pieces of companies that might otherwise be too expensive for you to invest in. This feature makes it easier for you to diversify your portfolio and potentially achieve better returns. However, like all investment platforms, M1 Finance is not without its downsides. One potential drawback is that it does not offer investment advice. While the app provides a wealth of investment options and useful features, you won't find personalized advice or recommendations. This means that you'll need to do your own research or seek advice from a financial advisor. In conclusion, M1 Finance is a great choice for those who want a hands-off investment approach but still want control over their portfolio. Its blend of automation and customization offers a unique and powerful way to invest. Just remember, investing involves risks, and it's important to understand these before you dive in. That wraps up our list of the best investment apps for beginners in 2025. We've journeyed through the seamless simplicity of Robinhood, the spare change strategy of Acorns, the beginner-friendly features of Stash, and the powerful customization of M1 Finance. Each of these apps offers a distinct approach to investing, and choosing the right one truly boils down to your personal needs and investment goals. Remember, Robinhood is perfect for those who want a no-frills, straightforward investing experience. Acorns is ideal for those who want to invest without thinking too much about it. Stash is a great choice for those who want to learn as they invest. And M1 Finance is for those who want a more hands-on, customizable investing experience. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more investment and real estate insights. Until next time, happy investing.